food lovers! Welcome back to Fit Foodie Vision, where we bring you the most delicious and healthiest recipes from around the world. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for new mouth-watering recipes every week. Today, we're going to whip up a vibrant, nourishing and absolutely scrumptious vegan noodle dish that's perfect for any time of the day. Let's start by taking a look at the ingredients we'll need for this recipe. For this delectable dish, you'll need whole wheat or brown rice noodles, a variety of fresh veggies, some pantry staples for the sauce, and tofu for that extra protein kick. Don't worry, I'll list all the ingredients in the description box below. First things first, let's get our noodles cooking according to the package instructions. Once they're done, give them a quick rinse under cold water to stop the cooking process. If you're adding tofu like I am, let's pan fry it until it's golden brown on all sides. This adds a lovely texture to our dish. Now for the magic touch, the sauce. In a bowl, whisk together soy sauce, rice vinegar, maple syrup, sesame oil, cornstarch, sriracha and water. This is going to coat our noodles with so much flavour. Time for some veggie action. In a wok or large skillet, sauté garlic and ginger. Then toss in all your colourful veggies. Keep stir-frying until they're just tender. Remember, we still want a bit of crunch. Let's bring it all together. Add the noodles and tofu to the veggies. Then drench them with that mouth-watering sauce we prepared earlier. Give it a good mix so that everything is beautifully coated. Just before we finish, stir in some spinach or kale for that extra green goodness. And now, it's plating time. Garnish with some sesame seeds, chopped green onions and a sprinkle of cilantro. A squeeze of lime adds that perfect zesty finish. And there you have it, a plate full of vegan delight. All right, folks, it's time to dig in. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. Give it a try and let me know how it turns out in the comments below. And remember, for more such amazing recipes, keep watching Fit Foodie Vision. Until next time, stay healthy and keep cooking.